Hello everyone, welcome to Talkner. Suprabhat, good morning. In this video, we will see public interest litigation. Total 4 questions asked under this examination. First question: which of the following case may be considered as the first reported case of PIL in India? First option SP Gupta versus Union of India. Second option Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar. Third option MC Mehta versus Union of India. D option Kalyaneshwari versus Union of India. Option B is correct. Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar. Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar considered as the first reported case of public interest litigation in India. Next question: who among the following is considered as the father of PIL in India? First option Justice S.R. Das. B option Justice B.R. Krishna Iyer. C option Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Option D Justice H.R. Khanna. Option C is correct. Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Considered as the father of PIL in India. Third question: against which of the following a PIL can't be filed? Option A against a state government. B option against central government. C option against a private party. Option D against municipal corporation. Option C is correct, against a private party. Against a private party, PIL can't be filed. Next question: in the light of the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India, on which of the following issue of PIL can't be entertained by the court? First option bonded labor matters. B option petition from jail for premature release. And option C matters pertaining to neglected children. And option D petitions against police for refusing to register a case. Option B is correct, petition from jail for premature release. Next question: a person appointed by the court to protect, preserve and manage the property during the pendency of the litigation. Option A amicus curiae. Option B preserver. Option C protector. Option D receiver. Option D receiver is correct. A person appointed by the court to protect, preserve and manage the property during the pendency of the litigation is receiver. Next question: which of the following is not a real purpose of public interest litigation? First option vindication of the rule of law. B option facilitate effective access to justice. Option C meaningful realization of fundamental rights. Option D getting famous and making wealth. Option D is correct, getting famous and making wealth is not a real purpose of public interest litigation. Next question: in Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar emerged as a basic fundamental right. Option A right to speedy justice. Option B right to clean environment. Option C right to free legal aid. Option D none of these. Option A is correct, right to speedy justice. In Hussain Ara Khatun versus State of Bihar, right to speedy justice emerged as a basic fundamental right. Next question: which of the following categories of cases will not be entertained as public interest litigation? First option family pension. B option petitions from riot victims. Option C neglected children. Option D landlord tenant matter. Option D is correct, landlord tenant matter will not be entertained as PIL. Next question: a public interest litigation can be filed under option A Article 226 of Constitution and Article 32 of the Constitution. Option B under Section 133 of Criminal Procedure Code. Option C A and B. Option D none of the above. Option C is correct, A and B. A public interest litigation can be filed under Article 226 of Constitution and Article 32 of the Constitution, and under Section 133 of Criminal Procedure Code, right? Next question, public interest litigation is relaxation of which of the following requirements? Option A, jurisdiction. Option B, locus standi. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Option A is correct, jurisdiction. Next question, who can move PIL in High Court and Supreme Court? Option A, any public spirited person. Option B, NGO or association with public spirit. Option C, group of public spirited person who have no personal interest. Option D, all of the above. Option D is correct, all of the above. Next question, which judge is known for expanding the scope of PIL in India? Option A, Justice M. Kataju. Option B, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer. Option C, Justice Ashok Bhan. Option D, Justice J.S. Verma. Option B is correct, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer is known for expanding the scope of PIL in India. Next question, which of the following is a landmark case in PIL related to environmental protection? First option, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Option B, Olga Telish versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Option C, Hussain Ara Khatun and others versus Home Secretary, State of Bihar. Option D, Parmanand Katara versus Union of India. Option A is correct, MC Mehta versus Union of India is a landmark case in PIL related to environmental protection, right? Next question, can public interest litigation be filed in district court? Option first, yes. Option B, no. Option C, in some situations. Option D, with the permission of the court. Option B is correct, no. Public interest litigation cannot be filed in district court. Next question, in which case was PIL defined by the Indian judiciary? First option, State of Madhya Pradesh versus Narmada Bachao Andolan. Option B, SP Gupta versus Union of India. Option C, Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. Option D, Sheela Varse versus State of Maharashtra. Option B is correct, SP Gupta versus Union of India, PIL defined by the Indian judiciary. Next question, in which country did the concept of PIL litigation originate? Public interest litigation originate. Option A, United States of America. Option B, South Africa. Option D, England. Option D, none of the above. Correct option is A, United States of America. Concept of PIL litigation originated in United States of America. Next question, in which court can PIL be filed? The High Court, the Supreme Court, both A and B, none of the above. Option C is correct, both A and B. PIL can be filed in High Court as well as Supreme Court. Next question, in which of the following cases did the Supreme Court give direction to end child labor? First option, State of Madhya Pradesh versus Narmada Bachao Andolan. Option B, Khadak Singh versus State of UP. Option C, Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. Option D, Sheela Varse versus State of Maharashtra. Option C is correct, Bandhua Mukti Morcha versus Union of India. Supreme Court give direction to end child labor. Next question, the mobile court in India is the brainchild of first option, Justice Bhagwati. Option B, Justice D.Y. Chanchud. Option C, PM Narendra Modi. Option D, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Option D is correct, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Former President of India Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam first imagined about mobile court. The first mobile court of India was established in August 2007 in Mewar district of Haryana. It was inaugurated by contemporary Chief Justice K.G. Balkrishnan. The concept of the mobile court is based on the pressing need to take the administration of civil and criminal justice closer to the people so that those living in remote areas could benefit without incurring the expenses of traveling to court at distant places. That's all for today. Thank you so much. If you like this series, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.